Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Wakanda_R1 here, and today will just be kind of something funny happened. I was out riding and my GoPro actually flew off, and I don't know if from the shadow here you can kind of see on the left mirror, very prominent, that's actually where my GoPro was. So, zipping around on Highway 100 in Minnesota here. This area, and just heading up towards Brooklyn Park, and that is not the good spot to put your the GoPro, and with the wind catching it, the vibration right off the mirrors right away, and coming up under this bridge, suddenly this happens. GoPro leaves there, zooms right past my face, almost hit me. Like, good thing they hit me. You can see here, like, just tumbles around and falls. Thank God, not on the highway, but falls on the grass within the median of the road, so that was good. Again, the camera didn't, the GoPro wasn't destroyed, so right about, there we go. Yeah, that looks worse than it actually is, but it was there for a few minutes. I'm just gonna speed up this part. It was there for a few minutes and I finally came and picked it up, so which is amazing. Yeah, and I just had to speed up this part here because so many cars were flying by. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, leave a comment on this video if you what you think. I know that was not the best place to put it, but there I show up and survive. Oh yeah, my GoPro fell off right under the bridge.
Oh damn!
And I was like, shit! So I had to walk and go grab it, but it's still fine, it's still recording. Alright. Thanks, man. Alright, now check out that wheelie.